Welcome to Top Wash Laundry, located in the heart of Houston, Texas. We're excited to show you why we're the top choice for all your laundry needs. At Top Wash Laundry, we offer a variety of services to cater to your unique laundry needs. Our services include wash and fold, for those who need a quick, hassle-free laundry solution. Self-service facilities that are well-maintained and user-friendly, convenient pickup and delivery services for your busy lifestyle, and specialized treatments to ensure even your most delicate items are cared for properly. Our facility boasts state-of-the-art features to make your laundry experience as efficient and pleasant as possible. We're equipped with modern equipment to handle all types of laundry tasks. Plus, we're open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week, ensuring you can do your laundry at a time that fits your schedule. And you'll find our premises always maintained in a clean and welcoming condition. Staying connected with Top Wash Laundry is easy. You can find us at 1275 Eldridge Parkway, Suite 130, Houston, Texas, 77077. If you need to reach us by phone, our number is 832-4785957. And for more information, visit our website at topwashlaundry.com. We look forward to serving you.